How well do you manage your schedule? I conducted a survey a couple of weeks ago where I asked 5 different things, A, B, C, D or E, which was one of the biggest obstacles. And for the majority of people, the thing they wanted to work on most and improve was their productivity, how they manage their schedule, how well they prioritize things. So I presume you're probably the same as most people are. But the thing is, you get 24 hours in a day, I get 24 hours in a day. You get 168 hours in a week, I get 168 hours in a week. But what you're putting into that time each day and each week is actually what you prioritize. But this is what you want to prioritize, and this is what you need to prioritize. This is what you say are your priorities. Most of it's not. You know, are you making time for exercise? Are you making time for your nutrition? Are you making time for improving your work or your job situation? How about your relationships? How about you? Making time for you, a bit of me time. If you're not factoring things in, if you're not blocking them in, it's not going to improve. So you need to look this week, decide what you need to fit in, decide the time for that, put it in. I always say create your jigsaw. Create your 24 and 168 hour jigsaw. It takes time, but it'll make a huge difference.